Andrew from A&H here, and we're at Victoria Street Park redoing the gazebo for Roos Island.
So how long do you figure this project will keep you busy for?
Roughly 2 weeks. Pretty big project, but we're working with other contractors, trying to figure out everybody is the best task. Here it is.
Yeah, that's pretty close. You can move it a little bit more over. Don't have that big tank.
So when you're working on this, it's called a gazebo?
Yes.
So what kind of work are they putting into it?
So they're redoing the electrical, they're redoing all the skirting, all the decking, all the pillar covers, the ceiling, and the roof. The ceiling is out of cedar, the roof is out of cedar, the decking is pressure-proof deck boards, skirting is cedar, and it's going to be cedar on the pillars and the handrails. 3 walkways around, up to the gazebo, up to the stairway, and they're doing gardens on the site. This project is being kept heritage. So it was initially built in the 50s, it was revamped in the 80s, and we have to keep our style to the 80s. Complete, redo, but look and see.
Appreciate the hard work. Keep it up, brother. Thank you.
Sounds good. We'll come back when it's all done. We'll move this one up so the electrician can follow the wire. This goes in the hole, goes gravel.
That would be amazing.
There's going to be another one on the other side. See the dirt pile there?
Good stuff.
Am I in on your end? Go up a little more.